Boy, yeah. This bomb and shit. I ain't knocking or lacking the confidence. Keep it moving, I ain't thinking about the consequence. In the end, I'll be basking in accomplishments. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. Everybody know my hustle. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. Everybody know I'm trouble. I'm a hustle, stay persistent. Busy struggles made a prison in my mind. Lost my vision and my way, but I'm living inconsistently. Just ripping beats, I'm flowing with the rhythm. I'll convincingly and explicitly tell them when they can get them. Hard work finally paying off. What y'all heard, we'll say it all. Will is mine, I'll take it all. And there's never
What up? Welcome to Smoked Out Ontario, superior to everybody make some fucking noise! Drop D. Passing it on to my co-host to my right.
Hello, hello, this is Lindsay, here for the Loyal Management, Vancouver Hip Hop Elemental, all the way from BC. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for having us here. And I'd like to give a shout out to KOTD out in BC and Set the Bar, as well as Platinum Status Agency. So thank you for everyone supporting me.
Down in the back. Yo, sliding on anywhere this way?
My name's AJ. I'm a really big deal in the small town that I come from, and I just want to say I love y'all.
Smoked Out AB, man. Make some noise for y'all. Come on, guys.
Stay loyal. Stay loyal.
Co-host to my left.
Man, it ain't about me. It's about these two. Battler to my left.
Yo, what's up? Sick as Nietzsche, west of Mississippi, mighty Big Bird. What's good, Thunderbird? What's good?
And to my right.
Thank you to support Thunderbird. Nekkbone in the house, aka Smudge Dread, aka Chief of the Galaxy, aka the father of native battle rap, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna send it out to the 5 I love the most, Tanya, Gerald, Joey, Jersey, Jagger, this one's for you. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo. Talon won the coin toss. And
Mighty
he chose,
Big Bird.
Yeah, who's Talon?
Alright, Mighty Big Bird won the coin toss and he chose to go first, so it's round one on him when he's ready. Let's go.
Make some noise!
Please hold it down.
I said yo! I'm gonna set the record straight because we all know that you're a faggot, and when I'm kicking straight venom, can't replicate, can't grasp it. But we're gonna take a quick second, talk about tactics, travesty, stage presence, mediocre. Your bars are less average, but I'm gonna tell y'all a secret. Only big dudes will seem to know. You see, our size intimidation factor right from the get-go. You feel it, I see it, and I ain't trying to lie, ho. But truth be told, it's only scary if you're a big boy who knows how to fight, bro.
Let's go.
And 47,000 views? We all know that ain't you. He could've thrown a punch to save his life, or in this case, his battle. He got bopped on the forehead and drops shaking like a rattle. You're a big for nothing goof, and this is chiseled in the stone. I ain't never been religious from something that God can't condone. So fuck a crown, fuck a kingdom and that gold-plated throne, and fuck being cheap. I'm that savage on my own. This is the 807.
Let's go.
I said this is the 807. My piece of heaven, if colonized definitions is what you need to follow along. I can't speak your fucking language, can't lower my IQ. Your bars are straight living trash, Oscar the Grouch. After this battle, DNA test, find out Big Bird is your dad.
Let's go.
And the word of the day is ratchet.
Let's go. Let's go.
The word of the day is ratchet. Y'all know where I'm going with this. Don't follow, simplified. His mother, backbone. I drilled a hole in that bitch. She should have actually died. Wrong to my surprise, Nekkbone, disgrace to my kind. But y'all know I'm playing people. I wouldn't touch that shit. If his mother tried to come onto me, I'd cut that bitch. Take her fucking scalp and toss that shit because her type, treaty makers, native bitches get piped by the white man. I said her type, treaty makers, native bitches getting piped by the white man. It's all fucking good though, treaties are all good for the big plan. But I got fucking issues with half-breeds trying to tell me they're more Nietzsche than I am. cough up nothing but lung hoots. I got a check at the band office waiting for me, and a house with a sunroof. I said, my dogs will actually eat you, Nekkbone, and that ain't written by Sun Tzu. You will never be a fucking Nietzsche, so these next rounds I'm gonna show you.
Make some noise. Round one on Nekkbone.
Yo, hold it down!
Hold it down, let's go.
Shut up!
Chief of the Galaxy.
Go. Hold it down. Let him spit.
I am so disappointed in you, Billboard. I mean, I fly halfway across our nation. Captain Indigenous, the intimidating, the honorable, the dominating, almost rising to the occasion, and this is what I end up facing. Now, I ain't hating, but you're soon gonna see there's no need for persuasion, debating. It's a huge understatement, me claiming I soar higher than this little bird that I'm facing, because when the eagle rides the wind, it's captivating. Everyone's beneath him. Hung on every word that he said. Wow. My whole fucking career, I never once used the word rape. That's fucking, there's a difference, right? I did. But you were so willing, you walked in ass backwards, you pretty much give me permission. Go. I couldn't rap to you like that. You remind me of my oldest, you're just cute and chubby. You like those gun bars and shanks, hour-long showers, playing with your little pecker, but you're still shooting blanks. And mighty big bird homage to your last name. I love it, I see the chug in it. And if we're gonna play that game, I got a longer trunk, fuck it, I'll be Snuffleupagus. Go. Say more about See the shit? It's all about knowing your worth. Connection. Laughter, that's a huge part of gladness, but I still get static from you assholes standing up here rapping or attacking like a fucking ravenous savage. Nekkbone, as an act kit, made up of multiple factions. There's Smudge Dread, that's the medicine, Chief the leader, and Travis. The whole fucking thing's systematic with equations consistent of quantum mechanics, dumbed down to adding, subtraction, and fractions. Physicists gasping, they summed up that the actual fact is, I fathered the universe for native battle rappers. Half you bastards didn't know what a fucking actual dad is. There will be no passing of the torch, son. That's something I stated from the start. I'll take this bitch with me to the fucking grave, cause I'll admit I hate the dark. Oh! But now you tasted a spark. You know it comes with pain, but you gotta earn this shit. This flame is so much a part of daddy, it fucking burns when I piss. And with this flame, I get creative. Expelliarmus, you get cremated to nothing. And that's your status as a man? Someone hooked me up with a 40-piece in Thunder Bay, I'll throw this bitch's ashes on a cannon.
Round two on Mighty Big Bird whenever he's ready. Let's go.
Let's go! Hey, what the fuck? I got spears in the trunk like I'm driving the whole tribe. If they find your body full of holes, I'm getting rid of the surprise. I'm upscaling some good coke. I ain't cutting shit with fools. I'll break your fucking limbs and chuck you into a public pool. Cause we super crazy in T-Bay. So for that I cannot play. I'll fuck your baby's mother with no rubber on any given Sunday. I'm saying fuck a first date. My style is Tinder Plus. She don't care what's left cause she's swiping right onto these nuts. Ha! Let's go! I said ha! Got him! I'm crazy. Hey! I said ha! Got him! I'm crazy with the flows. And I'ma say it every battle, I don't care if you've been told, cause these 16's impeccable. People say I'm incredible. I got a loaded, but one arrow, one shot, turn them into a vegetable. I said I got a loaded, bow and arrow, one shot, turn him into a vegetable. Because I've been playing since before my first battle. I'll finish these neck bones with no question, no hassle. This dude be that old scum, that old trash. He be fucking his own cousin. That's that. I said that's that. He be fucking his own cousin. That's that ugly new bitch you see him with no ass. Absolutely no class. She gave it up for neck bones. That's a crack hole sucking sack for Big Macs. For real facts, you should give everyone in this room a little bit of their money back because you are fucking lacking. Never been great, always mediocre. Tried to be king of the dot and got shipped back to the res. That's dream over. But no, he won't accept it. Called himself chief of the dot and tried to go anorexic. I'm saying this boy's pathetic. But he be sitting in the crib trying to cook up ways for cash. Maybe it's time for a job instead of upcharging leagues for that rape gimmick and bars you claim you have. Whoa. Let's go. You're the type. I said you're the type of pussy Trump would go and calmly grab. I'm honestly mad that we even spent $1 on you and this is all you have. Fucking trash. Whoa. I'm getting hook 'em shotgun from the basement, leave them outlined on the pavement. I'm just doing this for charity, I ain't even collecting a payment. I just want to see that look in your eyes when you realize you will never fucking make it again. And there it goes. And there it go right there. Jared get a refund on his fare. Pathogenic. Check it out, you're really about to care. We're gonna make this pussy walk butt naked in the bush later. Surrounded by bears.
Alright, yo, hold it down for the MCs.
You're like a native Newman. If Seinfeld incorporated life up on the res, like it made no sense, but it entertained us. Masturbation to fucking pets, right? I may be silly to make assumptions, but I smell like success, like money we could count or something. I mean, you'd be the perfect candidate for the remake. Your life just don't amount to nothing. I'll work with you. Behind the scenes, guest appearance once a month or so, nothing fancy. Ruin and save the day, and one episode Uncle Leo just looking for an auntie. I can't let this idea pass me. I mean, I already got a foot up in the damn pool. I can't believe this shit is happening. This is all happening so fast. We need legal representation. There's hidden Nancy, a publicist, to keep our hands free, an accountant to straight up handle tax me. We're fucking native, it'll all be tax free. Right?
Talk that shit.
I'm gonna back you if you back me. I'm gonna need a gesture of your commitment. Try keep your weight within the 3 digits and no more porn videos with Down syndrome midgets, please.
That's fine. No problem.
I am the best of us. You know that. But for their sake, we gotta get into this. I see you take pride with being indigenous, but Nekkbone's a business kid. I exploit the money and power that comes with this shit. I'm definitive. See, that's what the difference is. You all sound the fucking same, and you find bliss in this. The old man spitting wisdom, kid, don't dismiss this shit. Subtextual analogies, beating around the bush, rapping about that and this, like this whole fucking scene was hacked by a whack hypnotist. Yet everything on my mouth, son, holds significance. Brash, straightforward, and primitive. I've done this shit for a long time. Hell, I'm down near 40. Battle rappers nowadays use the word like same as a little white girl trying to tell a goddamn story, right? But me, I just do me. People respect bluntness. Talk, spit it hot with direction. So even if I really was a butt fucker, you're ugly, you would not give me an erection, all right? If you take this L, you let it stand for lesson, right? You gotta put that shit behind you. I'm talking your aggression. So with my connections, I ask for blessings and protection that you guide him on whatever step that he's stepping. No matter how hard life gets him or tests him, he move on with a father who doesn't respect him.
Wow. Third round, Mighty Big Bird. Let's get it.
Fire. Hey.
No, hold it down. Hold it down.
All right. I said, I'm an evil mastermind. I got sharks with the lasers. Signed dodgeball teams with guys named Blazer and Taser. Motherfucker, I'm on one. Have him spitting out teeth like a Pez dispenser. He'll get that blade to his chest, ain't no Brock Lesnar. This is a stone cold body. My filthy fucking habit. Get this neck broke with cheap rope like I'm out here hunting rabbits. This is open season. On the 9 I'm squeezing. About to put this half breed to bed cause he's out here committing treason. I'm saying Louis Riel, you're getting hung for a reason. But I need to know who you loyal to. Out of all my research, didn't find one native that fucks with you. And that's a little sus, but I'm just out here speaking truth. I'll have him bleeding from the brain by making him eat a boot. I'm getting sick of this shit. I'm ready to say fuck it with all the jokes. I got a Mac 9 that will do fine. Catch me robbing them after the show. Because I'm gonna need a couple bucks to refill my trust with this battle rap shit. No, wait, I said 800 bucks, just my fucking luck going out to Alberta and getting no-showed and shit. Thanks, Jesse. And my fill-ins? Couldn't even fill in. 400 views of me just rapping? I'll have to take it as a win-win. But I know that my lack of enthusiasm will always paint me as a villain, so fuck it, give me the mask, I'm about to rob you for your chippings. But don't compare yourself to me. I said, don't compare yourself to me. Cause I ain't got no extra chromosome, Mel Gibson. I'ma tell them welcome to the Thunderdome, and what you need to do is go back home and take your daily dose of methadone. Cause these I said, cause these bars will hit hard. Gonna need a dose of Narcan, put homie in a coma, swing it on him with my far hand like I'm Tarzan, child's play. I said child's play. Bitches know I'm a good guy. I'll keep it lines all day like I'm rapping live from the trap side. Fuck how you feel. Wasn't kidding when I said a next meal. I'm whipping this fresh meat down the street, call me Uncle Rico. End him by car crash. Driving psycho cause I saved up by switching to Geico. Hand me the deal. I said hand me the deal. Can't talk shit about natives not gripping the steel. I'm picking a meal. All of my cousins got guns, we just keeping it real. So check your fucking treaty. Check your fucking treaty. You will never fucking beat me. You're old as fuck and your time was up. And that rape shit was always creepy. Take more pride in yourself, brother. Take more pride in yourself.
Everybody make some noise for that battle. We got Nekkbone. We got third round on Nekkbone. Let's go.
My whole trip was paid for. I made some money. Instead of handing it to the missus where she most likely do some shopping in line, I figured I'd invest it out here in Thunder Bay, use your treaty card, we chop up some lines. I smoke weed. I'm trying to reconnect with the creator. That taught me that most drugs are meant to wreck thee and curse you. But let's be honest, a year or two of methamphetamines wouldn't hurt you. Fuck it. Go on, son. You might find virtue. You might stumble upon your worth too. You got me beat as I observe you. You're the first dude I versed who the earth gave more girth to. Fuck. I bet you got a dick just like a soup can, eh? Next bitch she's in for a hurtin'. And you probably like them big diabetic native bitches that taste like Pepsi when they're squirting. I just picture you and this missus getting frisky and crazy, all sexy like 9.5 weeks. Instead of whipped cream, it's KFC gravy. They say Talon's a generous lover. In today's day and age, seeing so much is pretty. He's been known to set lesbians on a straight path, letting them suck up on his titties.
And you're doing the Lord's work.
Before I do my big finish, I want to address my colleagues, right? It's all love, man. Good show. I ain't saying I'm greater, but you son of a bitches feel it in your stomach right now. I'm a higher caliber entertainer. See, there's a rap shit, Bird. I was born for this. It's all endorphins and morphine to absorb more of them. I shifted from chief to medicine man, now the sorceress with the power of Sauron and Voldemort joining forces with Sitting Bull, Sun Tzu, and Chief Horse that kicks suck the life out of this pussy. I'm an abortionist. It's an enormous risk. It's an enormous risk dealing with your inner demons to achieve metamorphosis. Nothing comes for free. Spiritual extortionists, evil does exist, and they enforce the shit. But though I wandered the night, I seen the light, learning I'm adoring it. The more I was hit, the more I grit, the more I explored for it. They placed a crown of thorns upon my head. I was scorned, my skin was torn and ripped. Eventually I came to this gate. I fucking knew this was the door for it. I'm talking the golden entity, tax-free, rent-free, on top of shit a fortress is. Call me Skywalker, I'll get you a moccasin endorsement, bitch.
Is that it?
I don't give a fuck what you think. You ain't worth 1/10 of a half of what I be, even if I am a has-been. And I got a handful of these lefts, so if you want it, boys, come at me. I never tried to rape you once this whole battle, and I'll admit, you look hurt, B. I may have not got laid in Thunder Bay, but I did stuff a turkey.
That is make some noise for that fucking battle, guys. Let's go. We'll be right back with the judge's decision. Let's make some noise for that fucking incredible battle. There can only be one winner. By unanimous decision, Mighty Big Bird.
Many meat wedges for Nekkbone coming out. I'll see y'all when I see ya.